we're obviously massively excited about Butter and Punch's future. We've got a great strategy. We've got some fantastic people. Our products are absolutely beautiful, and every day we sell to another country, and we have people asking. We're doing some big hotel projects now as well. We've never done that before. It is really, really exciting, and we're looking forward to hopefully being a brand that most people recognise. The reality is that for the size of our business, it was quite a large step to go with NetSuite. But the reason we went probably as early as we have done is that we know that we are expanding. We know we're geographically expanding. We're selling to 74 countries. We want some technology that will see us through that path, and that's one of the key drivers for us. Any business that's shooting off like a rocket, right? You don't want the engine to stop. So one of the key things is cash. Cash is king. You've got to keep an eye on it the whole time. You've got to plan for it. And one of the real issues with all companies that fail when they're going up the curve is they run out of money. So for us, one of the whole thing is we expand, but we do it in a controlled manner. We can see what's going on. We can see where we're spending. We can see how much investment we've got in stock, and obviously we need to satisfy the customer. So that whole supply chain, that working capital management piece, is a key facet of why we need that visibility.